Hello students, welcome to the class. This is the second module of the topic pronoun. Today we will know about pronouns in the form of subject, object and possession. So let's start our class. There are three cases in pronoun: subjective case, objective case and possessive case. Subjective case. The pronouns used at the place of subject are called subjective case. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it and they. ऐसे pronouns जो subject की form में use हो, subjective pronouns होते हैं. For example, I am a doctor. He is playing. In the above sentences, आप clearly देख सकते हैं कि I and he का use subject के place पर हुआ है. Second, objective case. The pronouns used at the place of object are called objective case. For example, me, us, you, him, her, it and them. जिन pronouns का use object के place पर होता है, वो objective case में आते हैं. For example, Ram called him. Here the object is him, जो कि एक pronoun है, so it is in objective case. Next is possessive case. The pronouns that show possession are called possessive case. For example, are, your, his, her, its, their. जो pronouns possession show करते हैं, वो possessive case में आते हैं. Students, possession means अधिकार, or we may write, or we may say right. Let's understand it more clearly with an example. This is my pen. I like it very much. Ram bought a book. His book was old. So students, in the first one, pen किसकी है? Of course, मेरी है. So इस पेन पर किसका राइट होगा? मेरा. Next, बुक को किसने खरीदा? राम ने, है ना? तो बुक पर किसका राइट होगा? बुक पर राइट होगा राम का. So the word his shows possession. Now have a look at this chart. Subjective case, objective case and possessive case. Read it carefully. The objective case of I is me and possessive case is my. The objective case of we is us and possessive is our. Let's clear it by an example. I have a pen. Ram gave it to me. Now it is my pen. In the first sentence, I is used at the place of subject. In the second, me is used at the place of object, and in the last one, my has the right on the pen, so it is in objective case. So it is in possessive case. We are going to the party. Our school has organized it for us. Here also we का use हुआ है subject के place पर. Our shows the possession to the school and us का use हुआ है at the place of object. Second person is you. You का objective case है the same you and इसका possessive case है your. You are here. Your teacher is calling to you. You is used at the place of subject and object both, and your shows possession. The same will be with he, she, it and they. He का objective case है him and possessive case है his. She का objective case होता है her and possessive case भी होगा the same, her. The subjective and objective case of it remains the same, and the possessive case of it is its. The subjective case of they is them, and the possessive case is their. Now let's solve an exercise. The question is, fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. Here the sentences are with the blanks. The first is, the horse is a splendid animal. Dash is loyal and brave. So students, horse के लिए हम कौन सा pronoun use करेंगे? The pronoun used for horse is it. Next is, Garima is here. Dash arrived a few minutes ago. The blank is after here, and here you will fill the pronoun of Garima. Garima is the name of a girl, so Garima का pronoun होगा she. Next is, Tina's sister left early. Tina could not meet dash. यहाँ भी blank है at the last और यहाँ आपको Tina's sister का pronoun use करना है. Tina's sister is also a girl. So इसके लिए हम pronoun use करेंगे she. But here we will fill in objective form. And she का objective form है her. Next is Annie. I spoke to Arif. Dash should speak to dash too. In the first आप second person use करेंगे which is you. In the last speak to dash too. So students यहाँ पे आपको आरिफ का pronoun use करना है which is him. Next is my brother and I went to the zoo. Our sister didn't go with dash. यहाँ पे my brother and I दोनों का pronoun use करना होगा. And here we will fill us. Rehan and Rima will sing at the show. Dash are excellent singers. And here the pronoun will be filled they. Next exercise is change the underlined words to the pronouns. In the first, the underlined word is Miss Gogoi. Miss Gogoi is indicated to a girl, so the answer here is her. In the second, the underlined word is Meera and me. And here we have to use the pronoun in objective case. And the pronoun for Meera and me will be us. The next is his book. His book is indicated to a non-living thing. And non-living things के लिए हम pronoun use करते हैं it. In the fourth, the underlined word is the shirt. It is also a non-living thing. So for this also we will use it. In the fifth, आपको the boy का objective pronoun use करना है. Boy का pronoun होगा he and he का objective case क्या होता है? He का objective case होगा him. Now it's finished. Let's know the question given for practice. The question is, tick the box with the correct possessive pronouns. The next is, rewrite the sentences using the correct pronouns. Now I'm going to end this class with the hope that you learn the topic provided today. So keep on learning and be merry. Bye.